Oh, I'm here. We're exploring the natural urban habitat. Since it's around Christmas time, we're looking for the elusive Krumpas Cat. Alright, here we go. We're approaching his lair. I wonder where he could be. Oh no! There's Krumpas Cat! Run! Ah! Ah! Run! Oh wait, that's just Spooky, and it's his birthday. We adopted him in 2010. Look cute for the camera. Come on, look cute. Up here, by my finger. Up here, Spooky. Oh, give him the cold shoulder, are you? Huh? Huh? Look cute for the camera. Good boy. Who's this on kitty, huh? I get you. I'm trying to mess with you and you start purring. You're a goofy cat. You know that? You act goofy. Happy birthday, Spooky.